Good day and welcome to Craig's Yoga and Meditation. Today I'm just going to take you through some very gentle chair yoga for seniors and for beginners. So all you need is a chair to sit on, preferably the ones which do not have a side handle, so you have more free to lengthen your hands. And then bring the back of your hands onto your knees firmly grounded to the floor, hip distance apart. And then lengthening your spine, tucking your tailbone in, dropping your shoulders away from the ears, closing down your eyes, and engaging with your breath. Inhale as you fill your belly with air. Exhale, draw that air all the way up to the crown of the head. Engaging in the locks of the body, so Uddiyana Bandha, as you squeeze to your abdominal lock and lift up. And squeeze to your sit bones and your root lock by squeezing into your sit bones and your inner thighs, engaging in your root lock. And we continue to breathe, creating that oceanic sound with your throat as you constrict the back of your glottis in your Ujjayi breath. And this will support you during your postures in the practice. Inhale, exhale as you gently open your eyes. This time, taking your right hand up to the ceiling, so I'll mirror image you. Your left hand, you may want to take it to the back of your chair, or maybe just hold on to one of the legs of your chair, and then come into a lateral stretch as you drop. Lift your gaze. It's began to rain here, so you can hear the sound of the rain. And then lift on up, lengthening your spine, bringing your hands down towards the side of the body. Let's do this on the other side now. As we lift our left hand up to the ceiling, tuck your tailbone in, lengthen your spine, and drop towards your right. So open up into your side ribs, feel the intercostal muscles opening up. Try and bring your right side of your last rib to your hip, while you squeeze into your abdominal lock and into your sit bones. Just to work with those bandhas, with those locks, with your postures, and continue to breathe as you lift on up, bringing your hands alongside the body. Now from here, placing your hands back onto the back of your thighs, we lengthen let's take our right foot out. So dorsiflex your feet. Try and lift your feet up. Lengthen the back of your calf muscles. Feel your hip flexors elongated and stretched. And then extend your right hand out. Fingers nice and spread wide. Dorsiflex your feet. And maybe open your hand towards the side and then to the back, as if it's reaching out. Maybe you want to grab hold of your chair or let it go at the back. Feel that beautiful stretch in your shoulders as you squeeze through your shoulder blades. Inhale, exhale as you come forward first, and then drop your feet down to the floor, followed by your hand. Now extend your left foot out. You may want to bring your foot up, or you may want to keep your foot down. Dorsiflex your feet so that you can feel the stretch in your glutes, in your hamstrings. And then lift up your left hand towards your right, parallel to your feet. And then extend your left hand back behind you, feeling the beautiful opening in your chest, in your shoulders, squeezing through your shoulder blades. Then bring your hand forward first. Drop your hand down, followed by your foot. Now from here, come into a wider stance. So bring your feet out this time. Stretch through your feet. And then bring your hands to your heart center, eyebrow center, high prayer. And we do a forward fold, like Prasarita Padottanasana, where you bring your hands down, folding from your hips and bringing it all the way down to the floor. Drop your head down between your hands and feel a beautiful stretch at the back of your glutes, opening up through your shoulders. And dropping your head down helps you release a bit of the neck tension. Inhale as you look up first, and then bring your hands alongside. And as you gently wind on up to your seat, and bring your hands alongside the body. Now from here, we'll just turn ourselves. Maybe let's go towards the right first. Keep your left leg at the back. Maybe you want to stretch your left leg out long, 45-degree angle, and the right foot 90-degree angle. So knee in line with your ankle and your left foot nice and stretched out. And from here, we'll come into your warrior as you bring your left hand behind you, right hand to the front. So come into your warrior pose. So squeeze through your shoulder blades. Check the back of your hand if it's in one straight line. And gaze to your middle finger as you breathe. Exhale, squeeze through your abdominal lock, squeeze through your sit bones. Engage on your bandhas and engage with your ujjayi breath. And then bring your hands forward as you bring your feet alongside. Let's come and do the other side. Once again, turning to the left, 90 degrees on your left foot. Extend your right foot out, 45-degree angle. Bring your left hand to the front, right hand to the back. And come into your warrior two. Engage with your breath. Engage with your bandhas. And then releasing your hands, looking forward first, and then bring your feet in together. Now from here, we'll come into another forward fold. So as you keep your feet together, it's more like a seated child's pose. So hands on your thighs. As you inhale, lengthen your spine, tuck your tailbone in. And then we'll forward fold, lifting our chin, bringing our abdomen down to the thighs, brushing our hands down to our ankles. Hello. And dropping our head down towards our feet. Try and bring our knees in together, or if you have any hip pain or lower back pain, try and widen your stance and drop your head down. Inhale as you look forward first. Exhale, squeeze to your abdomen and bring yourself back up to a seating posture. Engage with your breath. And closing the practice, I hope you've enjoyed this chair yoga for beginners and for seniors, especially if you have any lower back, knee pain, or leg pain. The chair yoga is well suited for yourself. If you have any questions, please drop in a comment in the comment box. Thank you very much for sharing your energy with me this morning. I wish you a lovely day. Namaste.